Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Accounting. Those who are new here, we want them to know that Easy Accounting is the India's first voice-controlled ERP system and GST-enabled accounting software based on voice recognition technology. Moreover, there are many unique features implemented in Easy Accounting which you might have never seen before. It is so easy and simplified that anyone can access it whenever they want with mobile or computer from anywhere in the world. For more details, you can watch the videos in description. Now let's continue. In today's video, we will see how to create or modify site locations, branch of any company at different locations, and many more. To create or display site locations in a standard software and cursor mining software, you can click here on Site Locations option, or you can say Site Location. Then you will see this panel. Here you can create or modify the branch or site locations of your debtors or creditors. By default, when you create any party or company ledger, one site is instantly created for that ledger, as you can see that. But if your party or company has more than one branch and offices of their company in different places or with different GST numbers, then you can manage all of their branches in single ledger. Suppose we make any company of our party whose main branch is in Delhi. So let's do it.
Ledger successfully created.
Now as we can see, there is automatically a site location created of Delhi. Now we will use this site location for sale or purchase related transactions. Now suppose there are other branches of this company at different places. Suppose in Jharkhand, and there it is registered in GST. Now as we will work with all their site locations or branches, but we want to manage all the transactions and balance of this branch to combine with the main company. Now let we purchase goods of worth 1 lakh from its 3 branches.
Purchase successfully created.
Now if we see the ledger report of this party ledger, it should show all 3 lakhs at one place. So for that you can make its branch or site location here. To create the site location, first select your party or company, then here in site location, select create new site. Now you can see all the text elements are empty. So now here enter the details of new site location. We assume it is in Ranchi, Jharkhand. Enter the GST details of Ranchi branch. Now click on create.
Site location successfully created.
As you can see, new site successfully created. Similarly, you can create multiple site locations. Here you can select your each party and manage their all sites. To modify any site, select the site location, do the required change, and click on edit site.
Site location successfully updated.
You can see you can't modify the state and GST type, but if you have not made any transaction of any specific site location and you want to modify these details, you should watch the invoice setting video in the description. As you can see, here all the details are same as ledger panel. Even here the voice commands are same as there in ledger panel. If you want to know about these details or want to know about the voice commands to enter these details with your voice, you can watch the ledger creation video from description. Now let's see the voice commands for these 3 elements. To change the party of company, here say party. To change the site location, you can say location, and to enter the site name, you can say name like this. Party Vishal. Location Delhi. Name New Delhi. Now you can see that here you can change the site locations while creating an invoice in the sale panel or purchase panel. You can know more about this in sale invoice or purchase invoice videos. Now if you are using cursor mining software, then you will see this option, rate setup of items. From here you can set the rate of each item for every site location individually, so that if you select the item while adding it to invoice, you don't need to enter the rate. It will be automatically updated accordingly, for both without transport charge and with transport charge added to the item. To set the rate, first select your desired site location, then click here. Now you can see the list of all items and some options. You can enter the default rate for any item and can also select the default item unit if it has multiple units. Here you can enter the 2 types of rate for any item. In this column, enter the rate of item without transport charge, and in this column, enter the rate of the item with transport charge. Now suppose most of the time with some company you deal with cubic feet for this item and with some company you deal with ton for the same item. Then you can select the different item unit here according to your work for different site locations, so that the unit of that item should be auto-selected according to company or site location while creating invoice. You can also use arrow keys to navigate between these cells. Now once you have entered or changed the details over here, click on this update rate button.
Rate successfully updated.
Now let's see its impact on sale or purchase panel. We have set rate and units for this site location. Now if we change the item, we can see that the item rate and unit are automatically changed according to the details we had set in the rate setup. Also, if you check the checkbox, then this rate is set to the rate including transport charge, so you don't need to remember the different rates for your party. That's it, thanks for watching. Ultimately, we want you to know that if you want to have your dream project real, that is software or web application, you can call us or send an application request to us because we give you 100% satisfaction guarantee. Moreover, you can pay your project amount in EMI, that is easy monthly installment with 0% interest. So what are you waiting for? It's time to convert your dream to real life.